Hadith of Sahih Bukhari, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was leading the prayer. At the time when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Sami Allahu liman hamida," one companion behind him, he said, "Rabbana walakal hamd, hamdan kathiran tayyiban mubarakan fi." After completing the prayer, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked that who was that person who said Rabbana walakal hamd. One companion replied that Prophet Muhammad, I said these words. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told about that person. رأيت بضعة وثلاثين ملكا يبتدرونها أيهم يكتبها أول. That I have seen more than 30 angels who are competing to write these words, what we have spoken. This is the importance of words of praises of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that more than 30 angels were competing to write the words and write the reward of that person. May Allah help us to understand.